Morning everyone, it's it's just after 5 on Sunday morning. I really do enjoy the early, especially now when it's light and it's relatively warm. I do enjoy those mornings when nobody's about, so you get quite a few miles on the bike done before anybody kind of wakes up. So I decided to make sure I got out early today. It looks a little bit warmer than yesterday. It's still a bit overcast at the moment, but I don't think there's any rain forecast. We'll see how we get on today. The legs felt pretty tired yesterday evening, but they feel alright this morning. Hi everyone, so I'm back from a ride, the Sunday ride, where I did the same route as yesterday, Saturday, in reverse. It was 84 miles and I tried to do it slower today. I felt like I was doing it slower, but in reality, well I was in reality, but I was only 1 mile an hour slower over average. So yesterday was 18 miles an hour and today was 17 miles an hour, which I'm a bit surprised when I've got home and checked the stats, because I really thought I was taking it easier today. It felt a lot harder out there, but I knew I pushed it yesterday, so I just felt it was harder because of what I did yesterday. And also the heart rate, the average heart rate was 130 beats per minute, where yesterday I think it was 148 beats per minute. So I think to me that's quite a drop in the average, considering it's only 1 mile an hour less over average. So it definitely saved me some energy, but I've got to be honest, those figures have surprised me. I thought I would be a lot slower. I thought I'd be looking at, I was doing 15 miles an hour average. So all in all, it's a good ride. I always say it's a good ride. For some reason, once you've stopped and had 10 minutes or had a shower, they all seem like a good ride. But I struggled a little bit. It was hard work, I've got to be honest, but next weekend, 50 miles in Yorkshire, I think. So both Rich and I are going back to Yorkshire and got some hillier routes. So we're not going to do the 80 miles up there. So I'm looking at doing 50 miles on Saturday and Sunday. So I've got the planner route for those. So the next vlog you'll see after this one will be hopefully some hills in Yorkshire, and we'll see how Rich and I get on with those. All right, catch you later.